I was definitely hoping it would be at least 65 degrees in Alabama. I've been chasing summer since it's winter in Denver, and man, I'm not finding it anywhere. Everywhere I go, the cold weather just follows me. So if you see me coming to your city or your state, you know you're about to get winter weather.
Subscribe now.
So far I've been to 3 different states trying to find warm weather to ride in. I just pulled up in Alabama and it's 39 degrees, and believe me, Alabama feels colder than anywhere I've been recently. With the humidity and then the super thick air, it feels so cold here, it's insane. But we're riding anyway. Hello.
Hey there, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Blue, okay, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Let's ride.
I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed our prey.
Thank you. Bottomed out, boys. Before I could even ride this morning, I had to fix a flat tire, and I had to hire my dad to help me do that. We had to put new sealant in because it was leaking around the bead of the tire, and we finally got that fixed. So then I went to fill my Camel back up, and I didn't notice that I was missing the nipple on the end. So when I started filling the Camel back up, water was just pouring in the floor. So I'm officially training for the Cactus Cup in Phoenix, Arizona. That's going to be March the 13th, which that's the day before my birthday, and pretty stoked on it. We've been doing the Cactus Cup series since the freaking 90s. I think it started in like 99 or something like that. So I did my first Cactus Cup race in Atlanta, Georgia, and of course like Ned Overend won. That's how old I am. Man, that was a long day. Had a lot of fun riding Oak Mountain. I always enjoyed that place. It was a little cold for me, but we still got it done. When I leave Alabama, I'm gonna head back to Bentonville and then Texas. Let's go ahead and talk about Bentonville. And that's got me thinking about this little conversation I had with myself back in Sedona while drinking some coffee. So let's have a little flashback. Oh yeah, we got coffee. Nothing like making coffee in bed, literally. That coffee pot is in my bed. Oh man, I can't believe it's cold. And I can't believe I waited this long to come to Sedona. Sedona has been so freaking awesome so far. I mean, the mountain biking is freaking amazing. And I know everyone's saying that Bentonville, Arkansas is the mountain bike capital of the world. I don't know about that. Sedona's pretty cool. I can leave from where I'm parked and ride miles of the biggest, best trails you've ever freaking seen. So it lends to the question, what makes Bentonville the mountain bike mecca of the world? I mean, if you like man-made, flowy jump trails, then Bentonville might be your thing, which I like that. I like Bentonville. I went there. I thought it was pretty dope. But I think Sedona offers a trail system that's just incredible. So if you like big mountain riding, drops, more free riding, I think Sedona is the mountain bike capital of the world. In my mind, Sedona beats Bentonville because I like natural terrain. So that wraps this video up. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. The next couple of videos are going to be more truck related. I ordered some parts to kind of help me live in my truck. I'm going to be installing floodlights, and then I'm also going to be doing some insulation around the windows in case I get stuck in another winter scenario again. You know, but it seems like winters always follow me around. But hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hardest freaking thing I've ever pedaled in my life. This should put me at a new level by the time I get to the Cactus Cup. And when I go to Texas, there's 2 mountain bike races close to Austin. So I'll be able to do 2 mountain bike races before I go to Phoenix.